This is a model I got from Hobby King. It's a Cessna 182. Cost $99. I got about 200 bucks in it now, and it's all made of foam. It's got a cockpit with seats and a cabin and control panel, but you can't get a pilot in there because they glued the windows in before they shipped it. The model has a wingspan of 59 inches and it's 45 inches long. The flying weight with the battery in it is 56 ounces. The ailerons are installed at the factory, but I had to cut out the flaps and install a servo and control rod for them. I connected the flap servos to a go slow to limit their speed and slow them down a little bit so they don't deploy too quickly. I supplied a 14.8 volt 2200 milliamp battery, and the original ESC did not work, so I had to buy a 45 amp ESC. The plane came with a 3715 motor and a 10x7 3-bladed prop. The elevator and the rudder servos came pre-mounted, but the rudder servo gears were already stripped, so I replaced them with a metal gear servo. The rudder servo also operates the nose gear, which makes it steerable. Here are the elevator and ailerons. And I set up the flaps on a 3-position switch so that I'd have 2 flap settings. I can't wait to give it a maiden flight. I purchased the optional pontoons for it, and if it's easy on takeoff and landings, I'm going to try to take off and land on my pond with it. So I just wanted to show it to you before I did any major damage to it or dunked it into the pond on a landing. I also think that I might get a set of skis for it and try flying it in the snow.